Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you all how to search sounds on TikTok. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's jump right in. Tap on discover at the bottom and here in top you will see search. Tap on search and write name of sounds that you searched. Then of course tap on done. So here you will see all videos that posted with this sound, but we search the sounds. That means we tap on sounds and here you will see a list of all the sounds. By default, first link will show you a original sound, another that means it's a remix or something like that. So you just tap on link. So if this sound is not commercial, you can use this sound. If commercial, you can't use to your videos. And by the way, you can add to favorites this sound to find it quickly. So yeah. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.